Hello everyone and welcome back to Painting with Martin. Today I'm here with an unboxing video and we're going to unbox not Karak 2, the board game, which we have in front of us, which is a board game that is, I think 2 to 4 players. 2 to 5 players. 2 to 5 players published by Albi games last year, and they gave it to me on Essen Spiel last year, so thank you very much. But we're going to look at what actually comes into this box, which is a miniature set, kind of like figure pack. And in the base game, I'm going to put this aside for a moment, you have these standees looking like this. Let's see if I can get a little bit of better light for you. They're looking like this, nothing really fancy special, but they do the trick, looking like this. So if you want to upgrade these components, you can buy this figure pack, and that's what I did. It's quite hard to get. I only found one German shop that actually had them, so we're going to see here what it actually means opening the box. So let's open the box here. So as you can see here, it has a protective kind of like foam core layer, and this is what you've got. So compare, for example, I'm going to take out one figure here for you guys to see. Let's see if I can see here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 heroes, and they're kind of like attachment rings. And so let's compare them here. Like we have the standee figure, which looks like this, and we have the hero with the miniature looking like this. So if you're happy with these, perfectly fine, they come in the box, or you can upgrade to getting these ones done, which I think looks much cooler. And I'm going to be painting these. Not sure if I'll be painting all of them, but this dinosaur looks pretty much too cool not to be painted. So, and showing another one, there is this figure, which is kind of like necromancer or something like that. He rides on his undead auroch, or like ancient cow or whatever, and it looks like this in the figure set. So really cool bases, really high quality miniatures. And so if you want to upgrade your components from this to that, then you can buy this figure expansion pack. As it says, it comes with this protective layer. You pretty much put it on top here, and then you close the box. Unfortunately, you can't put these ones in the box. They're too big for that, but so you're gonna have to keep them separately. So that's a slight downside. But otherwise, great game. And if you have played Karak 2, let me know what you think about the game in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. And if you like this video, please don't hesitate to actually subscribe to the channel, and also give it a thumbs up like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.